people think life is like riding a London taxi in rush hour traffic. Stop and go, stop and go. You're never sure if you're making forward progress. Is that the reality of human nature? We asked the people here in this great city of London what they thought. Listen to how they responded.
I think human nature is, in its most basic form, how you manage to survive on a daily basis.
Human nature is to resist and survive by whatever means possible.
Human nature is a very peculiar thing. Some people are very nice and some people aren't.
The humanity of human beings. Are they evil? Are they nice people?
That's the whole idea of human nature. They're unhappy, they're happy, they're sad, they're angry. You know, that's the beauty of humans. But
hope that I live my life by knowing what is right and wrong.
It's kind of to expect everyone to get on with each other is impossible.
And as long as I lead a good life, then I think that's the way it should be. So I don't necessarily need a religion to do that.